Hey everyone, it's Susan, and let's just plan. In this video, I'm going to share with you my organizational thoughts for my social planning, my social media planning for 2021. The planner that I'm using is from Artfan. I purchased it on Amazon, and the first thing I'm going to do is cover up those very top headers because they just, did not pertain to my goal here. And so I was happy with that. And I knew that I needed 4 different boxes for me to document what planner I was going to work in when I was going to record the video, and when that video is going to go live. So that is what this page right here is all about. So, it's the contact page, which is in the beginning of the planner. And I will cover up that word contacts as well. But I put it in the front of this planner, and I put a little tab on top of it. I don't think you're going to see it in this video because I did it afterwards. But I just put a little tab so that I can easily get to this page. This, is really going to be what I would call like my Bible as far as my social media and what I have to do and when. So I'm going to be referring back to this very, very, very often. If I didn't document this in this fashion, I would have like no clue what to do when and when to post things. So this is pretty critical when you have a YouTube channel and you want to put out content. Well, you have to know what and when, right? So it's important. That sticker up on top that I covered with that word contacts, it says so productive. So I think that that's like a perfect little sticker for up there. And then what I'm writing here is, so I'm writing about the Artfan planner, which is the planner I'm working in right now that I'm writing in. I put like a little note here that it is a horizontal planner, which is something I really wanted to work with. And my bullet points here is the first one says social media scheduling and planner schedule. So this again is my quick reference as to what I'm using each planner for and what I'm doing with it and when. In this little section of this box, I have 3 bullet points. It says post Saturday, vid weekly, use daily. So this particular planner I will use daily because it does have, the weekly layout. And so like my next video from this planner will be my first week of January and what I have to do and when. So over here, I put a little pencil down over to the right, and I'm writing pen to paper. So I wrote on video recording. So it's just my little note, and I'm going to do that for each and every one of these boxes. I'm going to put a little pencil to the side and write pen to paper. And I'll explain that a little bit more as I go along, but I wanted to document when I will be writing in the planner, right? So the next section is I have THP Classic, and then I wrote budget. So the Happy Planner, Classic, the Budget Planner. And the bullet points I have over here says I'll be tracking money, mortgage, utilities, food, and my crafting budget. I have to include that. So I'm going to try not to go overboard. Not always an easy thing to do. So then over here to the left, I'm going to post my budget videos on Fridays. I'm going to record them bi-weekly, and I'm recording them the Saturday before payday, right? So, well, and you'll see here's where I go and put the rest of the little pencils down so I can write down when I am going to actually do the pen to paper. So the budget, like, of course, I consider that pretty private, right? So even though I'm going to be posting my budget planner on Fridays, it is the week before payday. So all I'm doing is prepping the spread, right? So that come payday, I will have my list of all of my bills to pay. And that I will keep to myself. So that's why on the pen to paper, for my budget planner, I have on payday. So yeah, it's two different things. Working on the spread and doing the video is one thing, and then pen to paper is a whole other thing on another day. All right, the third section is the Happy Planner, which is in a skinny Happy Planner, and that's for my faith and gratitude. And I'm going to be posting my faith and gratitude videos on Tuesdays. I'm going to, right now, I figure I'm going to record them bi-weekly, but I'll be using them daily. So, and I've already been doing that. I say them because, well, yeah, right now I have two different ways, two different planners that I'm working in. And I'm getting a new planner in January from Plaything, and now I'm thinking about using that as well. I don't know. The whole faith gratitude thing is kind of, it's in the works. But the bullet points I'm writing there. So I wrote that I'll be using the YouVersion app, and I'll be using the verse of the day and the community tab, as well as documenting gratitude. And the pen to paper is daily. Even though I'll be recording bi-weekly, I don't think it's something I have to record every week. I don't know. I'll see. This could change, right? Thank goodness for these stickers, because if I change any of these drastically, I can just put another sticker over the top, that big box sticker, right? And cover up what I have there now. And yeah, because, this is a good place for me to start, right? A good goal, right? Just get something down, a place to start, and then see where it goes from there. This bottom box is the Happy Planner, and it is a classic size, and but it's a dashboard style. So I'm going to be using it for memory keeping and for planning for the week. So my weekly spread, right? I have on the left in the little box that will post on Wednesdays. So those videos will go live on Wednesdays here on this channel. And I am going to be doing those weekly. Then I wrote, my plan is on the dashboard side, on the left side is going to be where I have my memory keeping. And then on the right side, where the week is, that will be my plan with me page. And I will do pen to paper on the video recording. So I'm in a good spot right now. I really like this, and now I want to embellish it and put some, pretty stickers down. Now, I don't know where those flowers came from. I have a whole bunch of pages torn out from sticker books from, I don't know, a couple years ago. And I kind of like working with, the pages when they're not in the sticker books because it's just easier for me. But then I don't know where I got it from. So I don't think I'll be pulling them out anymore. But with that being said, I just did yesterday. So, but I plan on using that whole page up. So I have plans for it. So I don't know. Can you all let me know, excuse me, that do you ever pull the pages out of your sticker books and why and when? Let me know in the comments below, please. So that particular sticker was just a little bit too big, so I cut it in half and I pulled out, I used the green half of it, and I was really happy with that. And see, here's like all these pages, and I have more than this. I have a good chunk of pages to use up. And up on top, I just put a little sticker. It says note to self. And then down there, it says don't forget. Yes, I'm just really trying to fill it all up in a way where it makes sense and visually it looks pleasing to my eye, right? That says note. And then one more I'm going to pick out as far as the little quote says. That's not a quote. Action item? I don't know. I don't know what to call it. But it says to do. And if you don't know already, I love hearts. And if there's hearts to be had, I'm going to use them. So there were 3 hearts on this particular page, and I used all of them. So I am liking this very, very, very much, and I'm just going to go through the pages that I pulled out, and just to see if anything else makes sense. I did go ahead and pull a couple of these little star stickers because there were 2 spots on this page that just needed just a little something, and these were perfect. And then I felt like it was, I want to say like even, right? So here's a close-up. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as subbies. And here's some close-up photos. I hope that you enjoyed. Please leave me a comment and have a blessed week. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.